You need a few things to get set up. You need a metal paper clip, a piece of newspaper or paper towel. You need a toothpick. You need some water, just regular tap water, a little bowl. You'll need a glass and a stirring implement and some detergent. So add your water to the bowl, bring it up to near the surface so that you can see what's happening on the top of the water. Add some water to your glass. And then you need to dilute some detergent in there. You need to dilute detergent because if you just use straight detergent, it goes right to the bottom of the dish and doesn't have much of an effect. So you want to dilute that in by stirring. So mix that up. Now you want to sit your paper clip on the surface of the water. So you'll use your paper and then put your paper clip on the top there. And then you're going to push the paper down into the water so that the result is going to be the paper clip sitting on the surface of the water due to surface tension. It's not floating on the surface because metal is heavier than water and normally it would sink. But it's not sinking because the paper clip is sitting on the surface of the water due to that surface tension. You need a control, so put a piece of your wooden toothpick in. Kind of move that to the middle. Then you're going to add some drops of detergent and see what effect that's going to have on the surface tension and on the paper clip and the toothpick. So I've slowed it down a little bit so you can see what happens when you add a drop of detergent. Oh, look at that. Why did that happen? Keep adding drops of detergent and observe what's happening with the toothpick and the paper clip. Looks like I need a little more detergent. Watch what's happening. Oh, what happened to the paper clip? What's going on with the toothpick? Why are these two things different? Why did the paper clip sink but not the toothpick? Keep adding drops. See if that has any effect on the toothpick.